Let's talk about the impact now. Heavy rain led to some major flooding across Stanislaus County. Look at all that water, shutting down parts of 99 and leaving some neighborhoods underwater. In Salida, crews are still working to clear storm drains. That's what we turn to Nina Burns. She's live for us tonight with the mess seen there. Nina, they're working through the night, no doubt.
That's right, Tony. Now, we saw major roadways completely underwater throughout this evening and even this afternoon. Now, right after the 8, we did have another major downpour here that lasted about 20 minutes. But we did speak to some residents who say they're still trying to get through the rainfall that happened earlier today.
It was raining for a while, really hard.
An underwater nightmare for Stanislaus County residents. Highway 99 north and southbound facing closures at Pellendale Avenue due to major flooding. In Salida, firefighters pump water out of their station as crews work to clear the library's parking lot, while drivers maneuver through roads submerged in water throughout Modesto.
It was the box for the cable.
One North Salida resident grabs his fishing pole.
They're gonna get fish up from the house.
He says in the 10 years he's lived in this neighborhood, he's never seen flooding like this.
I just got out of work, but around noonish, it was already up high. It was up higher. It was to the side right here. Normally it gets to the side of the little edge of it, but nothing like this. I mean, hopefully it opens up the drains though, so they're not too bad.
How far was it up?
It was up to the sidewalk, to the grass line.
Neighbors like Andrew Ortiz echoing the same concern.
I've been here 13 years. I've never seen it like this.
It doesn't happen that often. It was just the consistency of rain and the amount of it.
Water rising above roads, sidewalks, and the base of stop signs. Residents hope they'll be able to drive these streets by morning.
We have 3 drains over here, so hopefully they can keep up with it, or the city can come out here or something.
Are you worried about getting to work?
Yeah. Yeah, I can't park my car on the street. I'm gonna have to leave in the driveway.
Now, CHP says both the Highway 99 north and southbound have reopened, but with that major rainfall we just saw within the last hour, they said to expect major delays throughout the night and perhaps even into the morning.